Hello, I'm Kim Below, and I'm a stylist instructor and a continuous education provider. And I help stylists create different streams of income. So, listen, today I want to share some information with you. But before I do that, I want you to hit that subscribe button so you'll know every time that I upload a video. And then, if you be so kind and hit that little bell so you'll know every single time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay. So the information that I want to share with you is about licensing. Knowing what type of licensing you need to have as a hairstylist and when you open up a salon business. So let's get to it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to share my screen with you, which is, let's see. I'm going to go. And so now, hopefully you can see my screen, but if you can't, I'm going to go ahead and read this information to you. So here I go. Licensing. Knowing and making sure that you have the proper licensing is very important. So I had some people to ask me some questions about getting their license. And so the first thing that you need to know is, what is a cosmetology license? And so a cosmetology license is required. It's critical for a cosmetology profession to make sure that they have a salon, they have a cosmetology license in order to run a salon business. All states require licensing, and this is usually entails graduating from a state board approved cosmetology program and successful completion of a certification or licensing exam. So in other words, when you go to beauty school or you go to a trade school to get your cosmetology license by the state, you have to pass that course and then also go to state board and take an exam. Okay? So the second question is, how long does it take to get a cosmetology license? Unlike traditional colleges, which will often take you 4 years to complete a bachelor's degree, you can find a cosmetology school that will allow you to complete your training in as little as 8 months or up to 2 years, depending on if you decide to pursue your education full or part-time. Okay, I myself went to school for 9 months at the beauty school that I attended. Okay, so then the next question is, how long does a cosmetology license last? Well, 2 years time frame. The length of time a cosmetologist license is validated before it must be renewed varies by state. A number of state requires renewal every 2 years, although renewal dates vary. But be sure to check with your state government for expiration dates. I am in the state of Georgia, and our license do last up to 2 years. So make sure that you check with your state, because every time they can change, okay? From state to state, they can vary. Okay, so then the next question is, do you need a license for a beauty salon in order to manage a salon, run a salon, operate a salon? Yes, you do. If you're opening a hair salon, a beauty salon, then you will need to register your new business and get a license with the environmental health section of your local government. So in other words, you will need to get a business certificate, tax certification certificate. And every business has to have these. So it's not just cosmetology. Every business needs a tax certification certificate, which is also known as a business license. Okay? And then number 5, business salons must be licensed. Business salons must be licensed by the state and sometimes by local government agencies. In addition to licenses for a salon itself, you must also be required to become a licensed cosmetologist and in some states, a licensed salon manager for you to be able to operate a salon. So, in other words, not only do you have to have your salon license, which is your certification, your salon licenses, you also need to have your own occupational license. So you will have your salon license and you will have your occupational license, okay? And then you also need your cosmetology license. So those are 3 licenses that you will need. And then if you go on to continue your education and get another license like your instructor license, which is something that I have, then I also have to have my instructor license, okay? So with every branch of training level that you go up, you will definitely need to make sure that you have the proper licenses, okay? So I'm Kim Bilo, and I hope you have enjoyed this information. It's been very informative. Please like, share, and leave a comment down below. But also, again, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.